Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas. And as you can see from the thumbnail and from the title that I'm going to compare between watercolors and the brush pen. So I'm using these two colors. These are available everywhere and very good for students artwork. So this is watercolor cakes and this is brush pen with 14 sets. So this is also very good one for the beginners. And first of all, I'm doing the painting with watercolor cakes. So whenever you are using the watercolor cakes, you must sprinkle a little bit of water previously so that colors are well mixed with the water and the color effect comes out very beautiful. Otherwise it will be like faded, dry, dull, and that type. If you are using watercolor tubes, then that is fine. You can use directly, just mix with water and apply on paper. But for the watercolor cakes, I suggest then you must sprinkle a little bit of water so it is well blended when you apply on the paper. So I'm painting a tree because this is very easy and simple for beginners, and the nature, trees and flowers are my favorite theme. And also you have liberty, you have much scope. Your hands, your brushes go very well for painting nature and trees. So as far as practicable, I am trying to make the same painting using both the colors, in watercolor also and in brush pen. And for that, first of all, I'm using the light yellow color, then light green color, and I will use a bit of dark green, and then the other shades like dark brown and all that. So I'm also making a little bit of grass under the tree because that is natural and that is very common, and also that looks good on a picture. So this is how I'm making my painting, and I will tell you which one is suitable and which one is good for what type of artwork and what is my preference. So you watch the video till the end and enjoy the process. So let's see how I create it. So my watercolor painting is done now, and I'm going to paint the same thing with the help of this brush pen. So I have this set of 14 brush pen set, and first of all I'm making the tree trunk with the brown color, with the lighter brown color. And whenever you draw or paint a tree, you must first draw the tree trunk, because this is what holds the leaves, and make some branches, and it will give a good shape to the tree. And of course at the end also we need to add some more branches here and there, the lighter one, the smaller one, the thinner one. Those branches we have to add some more at the end, but first you must make some branches so you can give a good shape to the tree. Okay, so this is how I have made some branches, and now I am using the light green color uh, for the light shades of leaves, and then I will use the darker shades like dark green, the very dark green, and then little bit of black also. Whenever you see a big tree, then you must have seen that it has varieties of colors. It's not in any uniform color. The reason is because one reason is for the sunlight that falls on the tree. Some are lighter, some are darker, some have shadowy part is there, and also because in a big tree some leaves are very young and lighter in color, and some are dark colors, bigger in size, and some are about to fall, so they are either brown or black type something. So you have to mix multiple colors to bring it a good effect into your painting. I have did the same. I have tried to do the same as far as possible. I have tried to paint a good tree, and this is very easy for beginners. So this is how I have applied the black colors, and uh, I am applying one wet brush to blend the colors. This is optional actually. You may use it, you may not use it, but the watercolor brush pens are uh, more watery and they are well blended. They get mixed up with each other. So I have applied a little bit of water, but this is completely optional. And actually, watercolor brush pens are for sketchwork, and watercolor is, I prefer watercolors more than the brush pen. And for nature or these trees and mountains and flowers, I prefer watercolor more than brush pen. Brush pen is very good for sketchwork. This is a comparison. Now in the comment section you tell me which one you like the more, the watercolor one or the brush pen one. So this is how my video is completed now, and I'll do some more very good video for you in my next video. So till then, bye bye.